Hi guys, we are going to Buffet des Continents, one of the best restaurant here in Quebec. From here, only 45 minutes going to Buffet des Continents, Drummondville. Actually, today is my birthday. It is a wonderful day. Happy birthday to me! Bago kami nagpunta sa Buffet des Continents, nagpunta muna kami sa Costco dahil masyado pang maaga. Anyway, ang Buffet des Continents po ay maraming branches. Meron po sila dito sa Drummondville and meron po sila sa Quebec City, and I am not sure if they have also in Montreal at sa iba pang pong lugar. And also, they have available parking here. Finally, we are here already in Buffet des Continents, Drummondville. And I am super excited na matikman ang kanilang menu dahil sabi po nila the best daw po ang restaurant dito. And it's our first time to eat here in this restaurant. And before pala kami nagpunta dito, nagpa-reserve muna kami through their online site. And I think you can do a reservation sa kanilang number. Pwede nyo po silang tawagan. Or you can do also walk-in. I'm not sure. And you know guys, my first impression for the ambience, the restaurant offers a spectacular setting with a mezzanine. Wow! It's like you are in the Paris. Alam nyo ba, bago kami nagpunta dito, hindi kami kumain ng buong araw. Yes, buong araw. Para masulit namin yung buffet. And also, all the waiters here, they are so friendly. They can speak French, they can speak English, so no worries sa mga hindi marunong mag-French. At dahil wala akong kain ng buong araw, I'm so excited na kumain at matikman ang kanilang pagkain dahil ang bango-bango simula ng pagpasok namin, maaamoy nyo na halos lahat ng mga pagkain ay bagong luto at fresh. And this location is known for its diverse, all-you-can-eat buffet is in a unique setting. You know, all-you-can-eat buffet with a wide range of dishes. They have pizza. Wow, I think it's delicious. At sa mga nagtatanong po, magkano po ang binayad namin dito per head? It will range around $30 to $40 per person. But it depends po kung anong araw po kayo kakain. Kasi meron po silang special day like Friday, they have crabs and another specialty na ina-add po nila sa kanilang menu. So, depende po talaga sa araw. But, nagpunta po kami dito like Wednesday and it's around $35 I think per person. And I forgot to show my ID na today is my birthday and I didn't get any discount kasi nakalimutan ko. But I think they have a free sa mga my birthday, but I am not sure. You can call them to their number. You can ask them. But next time, we will come back here kasi ang sarap ng mga menu nila guys. Nung natikman ko, wow, halos lahat ng mga natikman ko ang sasarap. And I am so satisfied. And you know guys, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Buffet des Continents, marami kayong pagpipilian. They have a shrimp, pizza, Asian food, they have also desserts. At sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito yung barbecue nila. I don't know what do you call this one, but it's sobrang sarap. Salap? Ano daw? Nabubulol ako sa sobrang sarap. Ito masarap. Itong barbecue. And I think Buffet des Continents is a place where family and friends can enjoy. It is a good for everyone because they have international menu. They have a lot of menu, highest quality, featuring the best recipe inspired from the four corners of the world. And every child, like 12 years old, of age and under accompanied by a parent, it's for free. Yes, free po ang mga bata 12 years old below, except lang po sa Saturday night. And you know guys, isa sa mga binalik-balikan ko is yung pizza kasi sobrang sarap, Lasang Salvatore pizza. At isa sa mga paborito ko talaga is pizza. And meron silang mga pagpipilian like grilled meats, seafoods. Kaso wala po ditong crabs kasi nung pagpunta po namin wala pong crabs menu. Meron silang sushi, dumplings, At iba pa na pwede nyong pagpilian. Kung ako sa inyo, wag muna kayong iinom ng soft drinks or any drinks bago kayo kumain. Kasi para hindi kayo mabusog agad. At pakonti-konti lang yung kuha para matikman nyo lahat. At isa sa mga nagustuhan ko rin is yung shawarma nila. Lasang Arabic shawarma. Na-miss ko to kasi last nakain kong shawarma is nung nasa Bahrain pa ako. And yeah, I think I really enjoyed today with my family here in Buffet de Continent kasi masasarap halos lahat ng pagkain nila. And you know, they are open. Sa mga nagtatanong, they are open 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. and they open again at 5 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Yeah, sa mga gusto magpunta, don't forget also to try their meats kasi napakasarap. It's like you are eating lechon in Philippines. Siyempre, ang pinakalas, ang dessert nila, wag niyong kakalimutan tikman lahat. Sobrang sarap. At isa sa na-enjoy ko, yung last part, yung ice cream nila, unlimited ice cream. Lahat ng mga flavor, tinikman ko, ang sasarap. Sobrang nabusog ako. Alam nyo ba guys, I think nakalimang plato ako paulit-ulit. And then, kaya, if I were you, wag kayong iinom ng tubig para masulit nyo lahat yung binayad nyo. Pero syempre, pag nabulunan kayo, uminom na kayo agad ng tubig.
Busog na ako. Sulit ang bayad ah. Ay, ako kinain ko sili oh. Mamam? Mamam? May mamam ka dito? Wala ka mamam dito. Ay, wala siyang mamam.
And I think out of 10, bibigyan ko sila ng 8. I will give them 8 because they don't have free drinks. They don't have also coffee that they can offer to the customer. And the rest, everything's good, everything's fine. All are delicious and I am satisfied, my family is satisfied. And yeah.
Busog match si celebrant.